Let me say something that might sound controversial. If you are a beginner in cybersecurity and your first plan is to start with AI, you are already setting yourself up for confusion. And no, this is not because AI is bad. AI is powerful. AI is the future. AI is everywhere in cybersecurity. But starting with AI first is like learning how to drive a self-driving car before you understand how a normal car works. Let me explain. Most beginners hear phrases like AI security analyst, AI threat detection, machine learning for cybersecurity. And it sounds exciting. It sounds like a shortcut. It feels like, if I learn AI, I'll skip the hard part. But cybersecurity does not work like that. Cybersecurity is about understanding how systems behave when things are normal, so you can recognize when something is wrong. AI does not remove that requirement. It actually depends on it. When an AI model tells you, this traffic is suspicious, the real question is, why? If you don't understand networking, you won't know why a port scan matters. If you don't understand operating systems, you won't know why a process is suspicious. If you don't understand logs, you won't know whether an alert is real or just noise. AI will give you answers, but without fundamentals, you won't know if those answers make sense. Here's the truth nobody tells beginners. AI in cybersecurity does not replace knowledge. It amplifies the knowledge you already have. Security tools that use AI, SIEMs, EDRs, NDRs, are trained on data like network traffic, system events, user behavior, and threat intelligence. If you don't understand those inputs, you'll blindly trust whatever the tool shows you. And that's dangerous, because attackers don't attack AI. They attack misconfigurations, weak passwords, unpatched systems, open ports, and human mistakes. AI doesn't fix those automatically. Another problem with starting with AI is that it creates a false sense of skill. You might know how to run a model, click dashboards, or read AI-generated reports, but put you in front of a real incident, and you'll struggle to answer basic questions like, where did the attack start? What system was affected? What traffic should be blocked? What log actually matters? Cybersecurity is still very hands-on. You still need to know how firewalls work, how authentication works, how endpoints communicate, how attacks move laterally inside a network. This is why strong cybersecurity professionals don't start with AI. They start with foundations, networking, operating systems, basic scripting, security principles, real tools, real labs, real mistakes. Once you understand those, AI becomes your superpower. At that point, AI helps you analyze logs faster, hunt threats better, correlate attacks, automate responses, and scale your skills. But without that base, AI just turns you into someone who clicks buttons without understanding outcomes. So if you're a beginner watching this, here's the honest advice. Don't chase AI because it's trending. Chase understanding. Learn how attacks work. Build a security home lab. Break things. Fix things. Understand why things fail. Then, and only then, bring AI into your cybersecurity journey. Because when you finally combine solid fundamentals with AI, you don't just look skilled, you actually are. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and drop a comment telling me where you are in your cybersecurity journey. I'll see you in the next one.